Hello, this is Jim with DC Digital. Today I'm demonstrating the DC-25N-POE-Flush Stainless, and this is a PoE network clock, clean room clock, also used for pharmaceutical and also food in the food industry. Comes with a 316L flush mount, 14 gauge stainless steel front that would mount to an existing or a clean room wall. Usually they do put these into a new wall where they cut them out and then install them into the clean room. Comes with an EPDM gasket. It's a 1/4 inch gasket that seals the clock to the wall, and then it does not come with the hardware, but 4 mounting holes for the mounting of the clock. As you can see, it's showing 12:26 current time of day. It is PoE, so we have PoE splitter and then our network card and then the inner workings of the electronics for the time of day. I'm going to show you the so if I remove this Ethernet cord, obviously it turns off the power and cannot view the clock. I'm going to go ahead and flip it back over and show you that it comes back on to 12, and then once it gets the IP address from the network, it will display the IP address and to give you an indication of what it is. So it's 0015, and then go ahead and correct. This one's already, we sent them from the factory set up, DHCP, and then you can set it for static if you like. Also, what we point them to is the NIST, the National Institute of Standards, out in Boulder, Colorado, and you can set it up to your NTP server if you like. We provide that in the software where you can put that information into it. This is the product here. It's our product page is what I'm showing you here, and it has the EPDM foam and tells you about the 16 gauge stainless 2B finish, has a 2B finish on the stainless. I'm going to go ahead and go to this is the web page for it. I'm going to go ahead and refresh it since I've removed the power and also the Ethernet cord data information. The model number is put in here. It's up here at the top. Serial numbers already in it. And then we have a feedback that tells you that it is working, and this is the time of day. So every second it's updating this screen. Here it gives you the information down here. Time, NIST Gubs, where it's getting it from. Last synchronized, and then whether it's success or failure. And the synchronized interval is once a minute. You can set the interval up to 9,999 minutes. It's DHCP, and then all your MAC and device IP and whatnot. Time information, it's just a 12-hour Eastern Daylight Savings, which is minus your Zulu time or England, time over in England. And you can set up your time zones and configuration settings and your network settings. I won't go into that today. I have a separate video on that. Just wanted to familiarize you with the actual product. This is the smaller of the two. This is a 2.3 inch high LED. We have a 4 inch. You can also get a 6 inch, but it's not in the stainless. 8 inch, 15 inch, or a 30 inch high digit. And those can all be done in network, same layout with the web page. PoE all the way up to 6 inch. So again, this is Jim with DC Digital, and today I'm demonstrating the DC-25N-POE-Flush Stainless. Time of day, clean room clock, and pharmaceutical clock, food clock. Thanks for watching.